Okay, all foundation phase children will enter this way through this gate, this side of the building, okay? So you will come through here, there may be signs up, there may be markings and things, but you will come this way. And you won't all be coming at the same time, there will be staggered starts so that to avoid congestion coming through this gate. Okay, Miss Parker Price's children, you will come in through this gate as normal. You will enter your classroom as normal, and this is your outdoor area as normal. Okay, so obviously with social distancing, when we're playing outside, you will do as you normally do, coming in and exiting at the end of the day. And the same for reception. You will go through your gate over in the corner there, and you will enter your classroom door. And again, this will be in your bubbles, this will be in your groups, this will be your outdoor area to use. Okay, key stage 2, you will have timetabled use of the mugger and the yard. Okay, so you've got some area to play as well, obviously following our social distancing guidelines, but you will have access to that area. Okay, Mrs. Perkins's class, you will have this outdoor area to play in as usual. There will be cones, as you can see, going up, separating the bubbles, separating the groupings outdoor area. And you will access your door as usual there and exit at the end of the day.
If you're in Key Stage 2, you'll be entering through these gates just like you normally would. Let's go and have a look at the way you're going to walk. Okay, if you're in Mrs. Duffy's class in Year 6, you'll use your door just like you normally would, and you'll have access to this outdoor space which will be coned off. Let's go round to Year 5. Now, as you can see, the Key Stage 2 areas have all been divided up into sections with cones. So if you're in Year 5, you're going to come in through the door to our classroom. If you're in Year 3, you'll use the door to your classroom. And if you're in Year 4, you'll go all the way down to your classroom and go in through the door that way.
We've missed you.
We can't wait to see you.
Bye.